Hi, my name is Dwayne Squires.
My name is Richard Muse.
And we're going to, in this video, share with you what's the best way to invest £20,000 when investing in the northeast of England.
I honestly think if you've just got £20,000, the way to go is lease options. Very low entry into the market, and it's not as fully committed as buying a property outright. The benefit of a lease option is the cash flow. So you will pay a monthly payment to the owner, and it's obviously usually a buy-to-let property. You have the right to let the property to a tenant, but you're also responsible for the maintenance and repairs and insurance on the property. The benefit of this is it's a very low entry, and it doesn't cost you a lot of money up front to get started. So for say £20,000, you could have 4 or 5 of these properties up and running, generating a good cash flow every month. Generally, the purchasing fees on these is about £4,000. Your legal fees will be £1,000. And like I say, you should be generating cash flow of about £200 a month. That's £2,400 a year. Now, if you multiply that by 4, you're nearly up to £10,000 a year cash flow, which is quite good. And would you get up to that stage buy it outright so quickly? I think not. This is the way to go.
Brilliant. So with £20,000, if we just summarise it, so if you have £20,000, and then if you're investing lease options, you invest £5,000 here, £5,000 in another property, £5,000 in another property, and let's just say you put £5,000 in another property, and that £5,000 you're saying you split it maybe £4,000 in sourcing fees.
Yes, and £1,000 probably about the legal fees.
And £1,000 for legals. And each property would be generating somewhere of no less than £200 on average per month. So £200 per month, which when you look at it every month is £800, which over the year is £9,600. Yeah. Well, 9,600 is just less than 50% of a return on investment with your capital. Yeah. So you should be getting a return on your money within less than 2 years. But over that period of time, you can just keep momentum investing in that, because you've got the 9,600. You can keep on buying another property and another property, and you keep increasing your cash flow. That's right. And with that cash flow, you can then look to split it. You can split it so you save some for actually looking to exercise the option, that lease option, and then some you can just reinvesting in more lease options as well. Now, if you don't know what lease options are, and this is maybe a bit too detailed for you, we've got a huge amount of videos on lease options that you can watch. And if you want to see those, please check out the link that's going to pop up on the screen now, and that will go into all the raft of details. So from Richard and I, our recommendations with your £20,000 is invest in lease options and use it to build your portfolio with momentum. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you found it useful, please can you click the like button, as well as follow our YouTube channel by subscribing to it. That will then mean that when we release new videos in the future, you'll be notified of those.
Once you've liked and subscribed, why not watch other of our videos by clicking the thumbnail on the right-hand side? This will take you to more helpful videos for you to watch.